Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
When does a limit exist? We say the limit as x approaches a of f of x is equal to L if and only if the limit as x approaches a from the left and from the right are both equal to L. This will be a little bit easier to see in a graph. On this function, as x approaches 2 from the right and as x approaches 2 from the left, we see they both approach the same y value of 1. So we can say the limit as x approaches 2 from the left of f of x is equal to 1, and the limit as x approaches 2 from the right-hand side of f of x is equal to 1. Since both of those limits are equal to each other, we can say the overall limit as x approaches 2 of f of x is equal to 1. This is going to be different if we draw a graph where both sides don't meet. In this function, we see as x approaches 2 from the right side, the y values are getting closer to 2. As x approaches 2 from the left side, the y values are getting closer to -1. So, since both limits are approaching two different values, we can say that the limit as x approaches 2 overall does not exist.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.